Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. We got another track workout today. Back at Huntington High School. You can see we're at Paul Ward Stadium. So today we have some 400 meter repeats. So we'll be hitting that. Got to warm up first. So we're also, you can't see, but we're testing out some microphones. So hopefully the audio is a little better than some of the previous videos, especially, I don't know what it is. I've been home and the only 2 days it's been super windy was the last workout and today. But just like the last one, we're gonna have a good workout, so stay tuned. post-workout here. Ooh, I'll be honest, that was pretty tough. I mean, it wasn't supposed to be an easy workout, but that wind tore me up pretty good. But I think I held it together as best I could. I started hurting pretty early, but I think I kind of, like I said, held it together the best I could with the wind. But just part of it. No indoor tracks down here. No treadmill that'll go fast stuff. So it's you gotta work out. You can't just not work out. So stick with it. Consistency is the key. So just still getting the work in. If, you know, any younger runners or newer runners watching the channel, hey, you got to get out here these days. And like I said, stick with it. Don't get discouraged. Obviously, didn't hit the paces I would have if it wasn't windy, but you got to consider that. So, yeah, another day. Just stacking days, like we've said before. Some people say stacking bricks to build that wall. So, yeah, we'll take it. We got another good workout coming up. Not sure if it'll be filmed, but like I said on the last one, feeling good. Feel like I'm getting fit, getting a little turnover in the leg. So that's all I'm going to say about the workout. We got one more thing here. Want to cool down, but I got one more thing I want to throw on the video, and we'll call it after that. All right, I said I had one more thing to say. I actually have two more things to say. I've been meaning to say, if you're wondering why my hair is getting a little longer, it's because I'm a man of my word. Back in August, I came home for a couple weeks, got back to Minnesota. My teammate Merga was like, hey, we've been talking. We're gonna grow our hair out through Club Nationals. I was like, all right, I'm on board. Since then, I'm gonna call him out. Merga's cut his hair 3 times. Clayton said he was all on board. He was gonna do it, rock with the longer hair. He's cut it twice, I believe. Tanner, he's cut his hair. Braxton, he's cut his hair. But JP and I, we were the only ones who kept our word. So they're my guys. I respect the boys, but they didn't keep their end of the deal, but JP and I are. So yeah, so what I was gonna say is we swung in Dollar General. I wanted to get some chocolate milk, so I got a chocolate milk here. Always good post-workout, get that chocolate milk in you. It's good for you, and it just hits the spot. So gonna enjoy this on the way home. So as always, thanks again for watching. I want to give a shout out to my dad for getting the footage during the workout for me. Much appreciated. Can't do it without somebody filming. So yeah, stay tuned. We still got more videos coming.